Okay, welcome back. We are continuing on with posting individually. So we're on our purchases frames. So that's going to be in our general ledger. So go down and find purchases frames, and we're going to plug in the 22nd CP6, and then it is a debit for 580. And again, because purchases is an asset and has a normal debit balance, we're going to add this together. So we got a big number here, $94,945.33. And then, excuse me, we need to take our account number, which is 5205, and plug that in our post reference. So then we just have a few more random ones in our general ledger. So we have our advertising expense for crafts, and this is on the 30th, CP6 for $50. We're going to add that together, so 7,590. Oops, I had my balance still on there from before. So 7,590 plus 50 is 7,640. And our account number is 6,105. That goes up in our purchases or post reference column. We also have a miscellaneous expense from our petty cash, so we put the 30th in here, CP6 again, a debit of 3260, and then again we're adding 3260 to 3,930.20, and we get $3,962.80. Again, our account number here is 7,125. And last but not least, we have supplies. So plug supplies in on the 30th, CP6, 1950. And again, we are adding 6,518.89. So we get a total of $6,538.39. And 1405 is our account number. So at this point, what we've done is we've posted all of our individual amounts, including everything in our general debit or general credit columns, and then our two that are in our accounts payable. So at this point, we are ready to post our totals. So remember that the general debit and general credit column totals don't get posted, so they have the check marks underneath them. So our next total that would be posted is our accounts payable. So that again is going to be in our general ledger. We're going to open accounts payable, and we're going to put the 30th here, CP6, and it is a debit, so it's 4,736. Just be careful here that you are doing the math correctly, which means we're subtracting. Okay, so when we do that, we take our 16,462.27 and we subtract 4,736, we get $11,726.27. And then again, we take our 2105 or our 2,105, our account number, and we put that in parentheses. And you do have to put the parentheses in here. That's something that the old Applia didn't do, but this one requires you to. So our next one is purchases discounts on crafts. So we find purchases discount for crafts. We put the 30th in, CP6, oops, get that backwards. Again, it is a credit for $37.92. And since this is a contra account of purchases, it has a normal credit balance. So we're just going to add these two together. And we get $1,845.51. And our account number is 5,110. And then we have our purchases discount for frames. Again, this is a credit of $56.80. So a little more math, $679.43 plus $56.80 is $736.23. Oops. 736.23. And then 5,210. And last, but certainly not least, is our cash. So we have our cash on the 30th, a credit of 5,574.07. So again, just make sure you're doing the math correctly. You're subtracting here since cash has a debit balance. 16,435.34, and we subtract out 5,574.07. And we get a new total of $10,861.27. And then don't forget to put your account number up there. It's one thing that everyone always seems to forget to do, is to finish posting. So once we've done that, we now have our completed cash payments journal, and we have our general ledger filled out, all the ones that we needed to, as well as our accounts payable ledger with our two vendor accounts. So that's what I have for you. You can head over and do your on your own, and then don't forget about your terms and questions as well.